fastest way to stay stuck is to rely only on discipline. You tell yourself to try harder, be tougher, no excuses. But here's what no one tells you. Discipline breaks down when you're tired. It disappears when you're stressed. It fades when no one's watching. You don't scroll for 3 hours because you're lazy. You scroll because your phone is in your hand. Every second, every room. You don't eat junk food because you hate your body. You eat it because it's sitting in your kitchen, right there. Easy. It's not your willpower that's broken, it's your setup. Want to kill a bad habit? Make it harder to do. Log out and delete the app. Hide the snacks. Put the phone away. Want to build a good habit? Make it easier to start. Lay out your clothes the night before. Keep your journal on your bed. Put your guitar on the chair, not in the case. This isn't a trick. It's design. You weren't built to win a daily war with temptation. You were built to adapt to whatever surrounds you. So change what surrounds you, and your habits will change with it, automatically and for a long time. Let your environment do the heavy lifting. And that's not cheating. That's how you win.